here with George Hammer, who's the Vice President Group Director of Media at Digitas, which is really sort of you're doing a strategy kind of planning function.
Correct.
Which is really great because, you know, I think it's important that where we are in online video, we have this really kind of macro view because television and video are really sort of converging, and we need to have that perspective, I think, to have a good understanding. Because it's a multivariate equation and there continues to be more variables added into it, which I know you know because we were talking outside and you've got a lot of really interesting statistics about performance. And I guess, you know, I was listening to you talk about some of the research that I want you to go through with us, but at the end of the day, are you comfortable hanging your hat on online video as a performance medium right now? I mean, are you willing to sign up for a compensation structure that ties to the performance of the media that you buy for your client at this stage?
Sure. So I think the first thing is that people are signing up as digital video as a performance medium, right? So it's like there are performance metrics tied to digital video. If we use it as strictly an impression awareness vehicle, we're not utilizing the full value of digital video. And I think that there are more and more ways to optimize performance, and we're learning more as we go. Like I mentioned outside, that we at Publicis looked at about 50 different types of online video formats and 100 different executions, and we found was when we give consumers choice on kind of the video format which video they want to see or how they engage with the video, it performs the best. 2x better than pre-roll in certain stats, and I think that goes to people will become socially committed once we give them choice, similar to when you give someone...
Is that channel agnostic? Is that like ubiquitous across every channel? Because I hate Hulu.
Right.
I really do, and I find it really hard to believe and I hate Hulu because I'm an early adopter and I'm watching Hulu on a 10-foot experience.
Right. No, I think it's smart psychology and really good advertising insights go across. I mean, overall, people want the choice on how to choose their own adventure, right? And then when you give them, it's very similar again to like when people are committed to something. Like when I'm committed to Candy Crush and playing it, and I want to pay money to keep going. I keep going and going, and it's similar to a reason why mid-roll has the best completion rates, right? It's in the middle of a form of a content. You want to keep watching, so you're more likely to keep watching. So I think even when we give people choice to skip ads, so like on YouTube, right? We see that a large portion of people actually do watch the ads, and then the ones that don't skip them, they have the choice, and you end up not having to pay for when they don't watch it anyway. So.